Is your PlayStation Accessories app refusing to detect your controller? Don't let a software glitch stop your customization because we are going to fix this connection issue right now. Welcome back to TechVibes. This usually happens when the computer's driver fails to recognize the DualSense hardware or when a background process is hogging the USB signal. It is a common headache for PC gamers, but we can get that connection established in just a few minutes. Step 1 is the direct cable connection. The PlayStation Accessories app will not detect your controller over Bluetooth for firmware updates or deep remapping. You must use a high-quality USB-C cable to connect the controller directly to your computer. Step 2 is to swap the USB port. Some front panel ports on PC cases do not provide enough power or data bandwidth. Plug your controller into a USB 3.0 port located directly on your motherboard at the back of your computer. Step 3 is to close all other gaming software. Programs like Steam or DS4 Windows can take exclusive control of your DualSense and hide it from the official Sony app. Shut down these programs completely from your task manager and restart the PlayStation app. Step 4 is the controller hard reset. Use a small paperclip to press the reset button inside the tiny hole on the back of your controller for 5 seconds. This clears the internal memory and allows the app to see it as a fresh device. Step 5 is to uninstall the device from your computer settings. Open your device manager and look under Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Right-click on your wireless controller and select Uninstall Device, then unplug and replug the USB cable to force a driver refresh. Step 6 is to check for Windows updates. An outdated operating system can lead to driver conflicts that prevent the PlayStation Accessories app from functioning. Ensure your PC is fully updated and restart your computer before opening the app again. Step 7 is to run the PlayStation Accessories app as an administrator. Right, click the app icon on your desktop and select Run as Administrator. This gives the software the necessary permissions to access your USB hardware directly. Step 8 is to disable Bluetooth on your PC. Sometimes the computer tries to prioritize a weak wireless signal over the stable cable connection. Turn Bluetooth off in your system settings to force the app to look for the wired controller. Step 9 is to verify your cable type. Not all USB cables are created equal, and some only provide power without data transfer. Ensure you are using a data sync cable like the one that came with your PS5 or a high-quality mobile phone cable. Step 10 is to reinstall the PlayStation Accessories app. If the software itself is corrupted, it will never see your controller. Uninstall the app and download the latest version directly from the official PlayStation website to ensure a clean install. For a pro tip, try using a different computer if you have one available. If the app detects your controller on a second machine, then you know the issue is specific to your PC's USB drivers and not a fault with the controller hardware. If you are still facing any difficulty or the app is still showing a blank screen, drop a comment below right now. I will be checking the comments and I will reply to help you out within 1 hour. If these fixes got your controller recognized, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes. You are ready to customize your gear and get back to the game.